So hey guys, it's been a while. So many has happened by the way. So yeah, I just got a chance to shop around and I bought some stuff from Temu. So let's just try unboxing everything that I got from Temu. It's about 260 ringgit. So this is the controller. I paid like 70 to 80 ringgit for this. Supposedly Temu offers you like free stuff if you just buy things over like 200, so I just bought a keyboard and then a controller and then I get 2 free stuff, which isn't really worth it when you think about it, but either way I'm buying it. It's already here. It took like 4 days, so that's one thing that's incredible about it. What's not incredible is the shipping for this. Holy crap, what the heck happened? No wrapping or anything. So yeah, hopefully it still works. It is already open from below. So this is the controller. Like I thought, all the stuff, there's nothing there anymore. All the stuff are on below here, so I held on to it. So we got a USB-C cable and then easy SMX. I actually checked the controller out before I bought it. Supposedly it should be quite solid and hollow stick. So yeah, it does feel actually pretty solid. That's quite grippy. It's also grippy here. So yeah, this is the controller. This game. Actually, it feels pretty solid. Like much more solid than the older one that I had. This one is the on button. This is RGB. Looks pretty good. But let's put this aside. We know it works. And also, there's the receiver in here, which is this. I'll show it right real quick. They also come with the buds you can put on top of the joystick. So this is the USB that comes with it. Just plug in and then it should be able to connect. And now let's get to the big stuff, which have the keyboard, the tripod, the monopod I guess, and then I forgot. Oh yeah, my tool kit for my box. The tripod came free. I just spent money on the controller and the keyboard, which I don't really need. But what can I say? I haven't spent money in a while. You just feel like spending money after a while. So yes, a cheap tripod. It's from Temu by the way again, so I really didn't expect any of them to actually arrive. So yeah, this is the Aegis. It's the wired version of the AKS068. Is the DIY edition though. So yeah, we'll take a look at this real quick. That is special because it's in Alice layout. I'll explain more in a moment, but this is a screwdriver also. So let's open this first. Really good, so you can replace my current one, which is kind of falling apart. Oh wow, it feels actually pretty solid. So here's the set. Yeah, pretty standard on all the bigger. I thought it was a good idea, but let's open this. Have you guys noticed? So far they haven't been taped or properly bubble wrapped. So I didn't need anything. I guess that's the stuff from Temu. So you don't really wrap anything, you just ship it. So now I do need to get a knife to open this up. So this will be like my monopod if it works properly. Anyway, it just rip apart. So Oh, okay. Oh, it's just hollow aluminum. Not sure how well it will last, but hey, as long as it doesn't drop my freaking camera when it's on stand, then that's fine. I'm not even sure if the stand is gonna last that long. It's really cheap. And then let's see how long this can go. It's about here. By the way, just so you know, the build quality is well, about as expected. So yeah, poor tolerance and others, just thin bendable mustard. So probably not really ideal if you really want some like good equipment on here. But for now, it doesn't even have a proper stand. Holy crap! So let's just keep it like that. And it came with phone mount. You can mount your phone here. Wait, what? Is that all? Oh, it has a plastic inside. So let's just put it in. Oh, they got a ball joint here, so you're supposed to attach to that. So we'll attach to that. Let's just aim it like here for now. It's hefty. It's hefty. It has some heft. I guess it's about 160, right? I'm about like 170. Like I think I'm just barely 170. So now, how the hell do I attach this? That's not a mount for me to screw in. Oh, I just take off this cover they have here, and then the screw is here. So that's so peak. Mic still recording. The receiver is dying. Crap. Later. So for this phone mount, which is like spring loaded, I'm not gonna use it cause like why? Oh, it's already open. Then I might as well. It's spring mounted. You just attach to it, I guess. It's meant for like phones, but I can put the camera on it if I want. Am I willing to risk that? No. Clean your garbage, guys. Don't just leave it out in the open. I mean, the box can't be saved anymore, so I'm not gonna save this. So the spec again, just so you want to look. Just pause the video. Controller is solid, so let's move on. And now for the cream of the crop here. So for this, I might need to like aim down so you can see. We'll just do it like this. You just look at the bait instead. And we're gonna do like the classic unboxing lower. Okay, so let's just open it. This is as wide as the lens can go. So, oh wait, I can just bring it higher. This is the one that cost me a fortune, 170 plus. So, yeah, this is how it looks like. Comes with a, at least it comes with a cable. I thought it wouldn't. So ages and magma snake, the instructions, everything. So, yep. Then this is the so-called Alice layout. It's very light, by the way. I got the retro version because it's the only one available. If it's like wireless, there will be the switches, but it's not wireless. So yeah, the switch. Do ASMR. Yeah, the rest is just like this. Oh wait, what? It's by... okay, never mind. So yeah, and then this kit supposedly comes with the keycaps. The keycaps are here. Let's hope it's not missing anything. Switch puller, keycap puller, and what's this? Wait, there's 2 boxes of it. Okay, I didn't expect 2 boxes. Just open it from this side. Oh wait, no, these are the switches. I totally forgot about. I did heard from the online reviews that they are not that good. So let's just zoom in. She can't tell. Let me just. Oh, it's Ajax branded. I don't think it's loop. Yeah, it's not loop. You can see. It's not really loop, so I'll let you hear a sound test. It's actually not that bad. So yeah, it's alright. The switches is not bad. It's their own branded switches. So yeah, that's the keyboard pretty much. Nothing else. And then the retro cable, instruction manual. So that's it for this. I guess keycaps I've forgotten. Got squashed like this. Well done, Temu. If there's any suggestion, just put packaging before you ship your stuff. So these are ABS, they are very light. These are ABS plastic, not actual PBT. I would suggest getting the wireless version too, because that's much better, honestly. So rough air, bright SM. So they gave extra switches, very cool of them. Just 2 though, but still very nice. There you go. My first time on this layout, so I might just not be able to type properly, which is expected. It's my first time, bruh. And either way, it's very good. Wait, oh my god, I'm messing up. First time, by the way, so give me some slack. Let's just leave it there. That's all for the keyboard. Very nice. Oh, yeah. Here's the color option. Can't see the color at all. So bright, honestly, but it's just covered in the keycap, so it's not really obvious. And then the size really not really that obvious, so yeah, that's.
It's when you can start all over again. When you can be the one to find the sky. You know how to make this for us. If everybody just keeps this fire until the fire burns everything in us. To play this with me. Sometimes we make stupid mistakes.
So again, we're gonna end it for that video because my receiver is dying, and I don't think it's dead here, right? Yep. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. It's just a quick unboxing. I might use this in the future, but who knows? So I've been too busy, so I haven't uploaded, and yeah.